Good morning, everybody. I think I got it working this time. I apologize. I was trying to record a minute ago and it didn't work. Another apology. And once again, I need to apologize to you for missing class on Wednesday. I would have much rather been with you than where I was getting my car towed and uh, hopefully worked on. It's not done yet, but it will. This is a little more serious than it was before, but it's something I got to take care of. So we will. I should be with you on Monday. So think positive thoughts about me over the weekend. Okay, let's quit whining now, and I'll have my little class with you. All right. When I sent my initial email out to you on Wednesday to say that I wouldn't have class, I asked you about three questions. About first of all, or I forgot the order in which I asked them now, but I said which. Sorry. Let's see, where was I? Oh yeah, sorry, it was an important text message. I mentioned to you three different things about temperature. The first one was about when you put a pan of water on to boil. And you put it on to boil, and it's open pan of water, and you're going to boil some food in it, but bring it to a boil first. And you turn the heat up really high, and it begins to boil. If you turn the heat up higher, does it get hotter? Well, some will answer yes, some will answer no. Here's what will happen. If you turn the heat up higher, it'll boil faster, and the water will boil away more quickly. It won't get any hotter than 100 degrees C. Why is that? It is that because that's the boiling temperature of water. Once you begin to boil water, it begins to evaporate and go change into steam and go away. Well, how can you get a higher temperature? You can get that by using a pressure cooker. You should ask your parents or grandparents what a pressure cooker is, because that's like the old school microwave. You could cook faster because it will get hotter. So that makes the boiling point of water, the boiling point of fluids, dependent on the pressure in which the fluid is, the air pressure. Just remember that. Now, I'm just going to mention these to you today, and then I'll later on, as I get some more work done on this, will probably update these. I put some charts up here for Venus and Mars characteristics, and also about the surface, as well as our two units, which I've not really covered too much yet, but we want to go over those. You have your Living on Mars assignments, which if you review all these things here, it might impact how you write that. One person's already asked me if it was to be an essay question, or if it was going to be a short answer question. You can approach that either way. There's a list of questions in the assignment that you will want to do. You can do that either way. I will have you. You have your labs up here. Some of those you can do on your own as well, and I will put more information up there as well. You can be completing your quiz 2 this week. Pardon me, it was quiz 1. Quiz 2 is coming up, and we'll work on that after I get this stuff done and get caught back up. So anyway, that's about all I've got for you right now. You might expect some other presentations later this weekend, because I need something to do to keep you guys going, and I will be happy to do that. If you have any questions or concerns about this, please reach out to me. I'll be happy to talk with you. You take care, and I hope to see you Monday.